One of the best women's strikers in WWE, NIKKITA Lyons.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making her way to the ring from Los Angeles, California, NIKKITA Lyons!
With a black belt in Taekwondo, you know NIKKITA Lyons is always a threat no matter her opponent.
It's not just the arsenal, but the discipline that one learns in martial arts. Every element of her training makes Lyons so dominant in the ring.
Let's see what she can do.
And her opponent, from Rutherford, New Jersey, DEONNA PURRAZZO!
If you need to step away from the TV, I would do it before the bell rings for this match. It is gonna be a good one.
Corey, how do you think these superstars feel about competing here on Thanksgiving?
They should feel honored, Cole. As you know, Thanksgiving has a long-standing tradition of being one of the more prestigious nights on the sports entertainment calendar.
Here we go, and I expect this one to get interesting in a hurry with her in the ring.
A truly captivating superstar who really does go all out to dazzle the fans and her competition with her ability.
And here's an early call. And she kicks out right away.
Too early in the match to end it.
Oh, what a kick!
Locks up.
She manages to reverse it. Target of the arm.
Smartly dipping out of harm's way.
Oh, he scouted that one. And NIKKITA capitalizes there.
Locks up.
Disrespectful shove there.
Pretty complex opponent to face in the ring. What do you think is the best approach here?
I would say keeping your distance is the wisest course of action. Putting enough space between you and NIKKITA will limit her ability to release those absolutely punishing kicks of hers.
The spine absorbing all of that impact.
That puts her on the offensive.
Neck breaker.
She's looking a little drained now.
Yeah, and you can see the aggression growing with Lyons. Wicked roundhouse.
She's going for the cover.
Has been eliminated.
Oh, that was a tough win.
Well, look out from behind.
Oh, no! Our guest commentator sneaking in from behind on the attack. This is just an all-out all-out war here.
They're going to put their opponent away. Gory's special submission is in, but not done just yet. Yikes. Lyons won't withstand that.
Desperate attempt here to get back to her feet.
Achilles lock. Torture time. And the whole point here is just to cause unbearable pain.
A brutal submission. That is, she has to submit, man.
I'm on top, this ain't even my peak. And everything they said was out of my reach. It's getting so close now, did it all for the hometown. Time all year, we ain't skipped the point now. This ain't even my peak. And everything they said was out of my reach. It's getting so close now, did it all for the hometown. Time all year, we ain't skipped the point. Had the weight of the world on my shoulders. Felt like a lion in a room full of vultures.